Welcome crafters, my name is Van. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really cool beanie hat in literally minutes. So for this hat we will need some of your favorite yarn and a crochet hook, and all you need to know is double crochet and single crochet and you're good to go. We'll start by making a magic ring and work 12 double crochet around it. We'll start off with chain 3 as our first double crochet. I love making beanie hats because I just think that they're very versatile. When I was under chemo treatment and lost all of my hair, I literally lived in these hats. I just used thicker yarns to make thicker beanies for outdoor and thinner yarn for making beanies inside. Nice and soft cotton, that's what I really like for the inside beanies. Okay, continue working until we have 12 double stitches, and always do a slip stitch to join the rounds. So now we're moving on to round 2. Round 2, we're going to increase stitches by 12. So that means we're going to end up with 24 double crochets in this round. So start with your chain of 3 and double crochet in the same post. Continue the round until you get a total of 24 double crochets. From round 3 and on, what we're going to do is that we're going to increase 8 stitches per round. So in this one here, we're going to do double crochet, and 2 double crochets. So every third double crochet, we're going to increase 1 stitch. This will give you a total of 32 double crochets in this round. So for round 4, we're going to increase another 8 stitches. That means you have to change your pattern. So your pattern is going to be double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and 2 double crochet. So that means that we're going to increase every 4th double crochet, we're going to increase 1. And that's going to give you a total of 40 stitches. All right, round 5, we're going to increase another 8 stitches, so that's going to be a total of 48 stitches in this round. So that we're going to need to increase this way: double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and 2 double crochets in a post. So we will increase on every 5th double crochet. We're going to increase. So you agree with me that this is a pretty simple pattern. We have been double crocheting and only increase stitches every third, fourth, and fifth stitches and so on for each round. Um, so if we need to make a larger size hat, then we would adding more rounds. And as we add rounds, then we just increase stitches the same way that we did with the previous rounds. I normally use this chart as a guide for size. A newborn head is about 4 inches in diameter, and 6 months and so on is about 5 inches, and a child is about 6 inches, 7 for adults. Okay, this looks like it's only 150 millimeter, which works out to be approximately 6 inches wide. So I think I'm going to add another round to this to make it a little bit bigger. So the last round I added the stitches on every every 6 stitches. Now I'm going to add stitch on every 7th stitch. Because we gradually add the stitches to each round, um, this is going to help shape the crown of the cap a little bit. So you're going to have sort of like a slopey shape rather than just a big lily pad over your head. I don't know if that makes sense to you or not. Okay, so this measures about 170 millimeter. That's going to make about 7 inches in diameter. So that's about right for an average adult size. Okay, now that we have the right size for the diameter, for the size of the head, we're going to do the sides now. And for the sides, I'm just going to keep double crochet in the posts, and I'm going to change it up a little bit by adding a little pattern. Not too much pattern because I want it to be versatile. So I'm just going to do every 5th double crochet, I'm going to pull it through the front, put my hook through the front of the post and pull it through. And this is going to give me a little bit, it's going to raise that stitch a little bit. So it's going to give me a ridge once it's done. So we will just continue this pattern for another 5 or 6 more rounds, or to a total of about 8 inches. Once that's done, then what we're going to do is we're going to make sort of an edge for your beanie. This I really like the single crochets. So for the single crochet, we're just going to crochet it, single crochet, and make sure we do it through the back loop only. So here again, this is round 2 in the single crochet. Continue so for another 3 or 4 more rounds, and just insert the hook through the back and just continue that for another 3 or 4 more rounds. There, you have just completed the coolest beanie hat. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share it with your friends if you think it'll be useful to them. And subscribe to my channel to get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.